Coach, it was fantastic last year to play you, and it was the start of very, very good preparation for us. Preparation was key. I remember when John came back from the World Cup, the first thing he mentioned was our physical conditioning, and we agreed that that's got to be top notch. But the fantastic trainings we had last year was really key, and the camps in between, and that is all up to Safa. I remember Dr. Jordan saying, maybe I'm using the wrong quotes, but saying that females were going to coach our national teams. But it's not just saying, the support that we received has been tremendous. And that has really, really helped us. And when qualifying to the World Cup, I think that was insane. It was surreal. You run into the field, and you want to hug someone, and they're already hugging someone, and Janine's lying prone, flat on her back, crying. That was amazing, to see Cecil, who's been so supportive.